How to connect the Samsung phone to the TV wirelessly. Display screen mirroring with the Samsung SmartThings app. Earlier than you began, make certain your smartphone and TV are on the identical Wi-Fi community, and ensure your TV is powered on and connected to your SmartThings account. Open the SmartThings app in your Samsung smartphone. From the dashboard, choose your TV. Choose Extra Choices, 3 dots, from the upper right nook of the display screen. Faucet Mirror Display Screen, Good View. You will see your telephone's contents in your TV display screen. Forged content material to your Samsung TV. One other approach to view the contents of your Samsung telephone in your Samsung TV is with screencasting via Chromecast device and the Google House app. To do that, plug within the Chromecast gadget and energy on the TV. Set the TV's enter to HDMI. From the Google House app, choose Add Greater Than Arrange System, after which observe the prompts to arrange your Chromecast. Choose and open a Chromecast compatible app in your telephone, after which faucet the Forge button. Get pleasure from your casted content material in your TV. Display screen mirroring with Samsung Good View. The Samsung Good View app is one other approach to mirror content material out of your Samsung smartphone to your Samsung TV. As of October 2020, Samsung not helps this app, because it's specializing in the SmartThings app and ecosystem. Whereas new customers cannot obtain Good View after October 2020, those that have the app can nonetheless use it to reflect their telephone's display screen to their TV. Optionally, use a casting dongle, resembling Chromecast, with Good View. On some Samsung TVs, you might have to activate display screen mirroring by going to Supply Greater Than Display Screen Mirroring or Community Greater Than Display Screen Mirroring. Make sure that your Samsung smartphone and Samsung Good TV are related to the identical Wi-Fi community. When you use a Chromecast, make certain it is related to the identical Wi-Fi community as your Samsung smartphone. Out of your telephone, drag down the notifications bar to view the app shortcuts menu. Swipe to seek out and faucet Good View. Select your Samsung TV. You will see your Samsung smartphone's or PIL's display screen seam on the TV. If that is your first time establishing display screen mirroring with Good View, choose Enable with the TV distant when the TV asks you to verify the connection. Whenever you're completed, faucet Good View in your telephone to disconnect and cease mirroring. Wi-Fi display screen mirroring. You probably have older Samsung gadgets that are not supported by SmartThings or Good View. It is nonetheless attainable to reflect your telephone's contents to your Samsung TV. To get began, for some older fashions, press the supply button on the distant, then choose display screen mirroring. For different fashions, press menu on the distant, then choose Community Greater Than Display Screen Mirroring. Drag down the notifications bar on the Samsung telephone. Choose Display Screen Mirroring. On some gadgets, choose Fast Join. Your gadget scans for obtainable gadgets to connect with. Select your TV from the listing of accessible gadgets. If a pin seems on the TV display screen, enter the quantity into your smartphone when prompted. As soon as the connection is established, you may open most apps and packages out of your Samsung smartphone, and the apps mirror to your Samsung Good TV. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.